Exercise 410 is a really quick little exercise. So before we get into the exercise itself, let's talk a little bit about the heading of an income statement. And that's, to be honest, it's one of the things that I tend to kind of gloss over and not look. There are a lot of accountants who are a lot more picky about this than I am, and I probably should be a little bit more picky. But the we'll talk about the heading of an income statement. So we're going to have the XYZ company, whatever name it actually goes by, Smith and Jones Incorporated, whatever it might be. And then we will say income statement. And then you'll put for the period. January 1 through December 31, 2021. Now, a fiscal year does not have to be a calendar year, so it could be October 1st through September 31st, for example, September 30th. So, but it's it should be for the period, and notice it's a period of time. On the balance sheet, it is a snapshot, and so we put an actual date, balance sheet, XYZ company balance sheet as of December 31st, 2021. And so that's the thing that a lot of accountants get a little bit picky about. And I think you should probably be aware of that when you go for the CPA exam and that sort of thing. To be honest, it's not something I particularly look for on tests, but it's something that you should be aware of and realize that there are accountants who think these things are important, and probably I don't think they're as important as I should, but that's just how things work sometimes, right? All right, now to exercise 410. It says we have the Esposito Import Company had 1 million shares of common stock outstanding during 2021. Its income statement reported the following income from continuing operations: $5 million dollars, and a loss from discontinued operations of $1.6 million. All of these amounts are net of tax. And then it asks us to prepare the earnings per share presentation for Esposito Import Company. And so the earnings per share is going to be income from continuing operations and so it will be on that one the $5 million divided by the 1 million shares, so that's just going to be $5 a share. And then we will have on that the loss from discontinued operations. And that's going to be the 1.6 million divided by a million, so that will be $1.60 per share. And we'll put that in parentheses. And then we will go ahead and subtract that, and to get the 340, and that will be our earnings per share, net income per share. All right, so that's all there really is to exercise 410.